Hi folks, today we are going to install Druid on Ubuntu 14.04 Tasitha edition. So let's start. Let's open the terminal. I have already downloaded the tarball for the Druid from the website of Druid. You can see over here. Here, this currently the stable version is 0.9.2. So I'll use the wget command to install it. So I have copied the link address and I simply do this. By this, when you click enter on this, it will start downloading the tarball for you, and it will show you, as you can see over here, Druid 0.9 and something. So let's untar it. The command to untar it is tar minus xzvf. V is optional, xzf will also work. So you can see now it's extracting it. So now let's remove the tarball. Okay, so you can see here we have Druid in our system for the Sen Mohit user. Let's start with the quick start tutorial that is already provided by Druid company. So I have done this much of work. Now you can see in this folder we have license, bin, conf stack, sanction, dependencies, live, kickstart. Now first we need to start the zookeeper. So I have already set up the zookeeper, so I'll just simply start that one. That is zk server sh start. So you can see by the sudo jps command, that is the java that will list the java processor that is running currently. So here you can see the core umpire main. This is for zookeeper. So now I will go to my folder directory, that is this, and to Druid. Now this we need to start engaging the all. So first command is to do init. This init command will create the directories for your Druid installation. So let's start with this. Simply type init. So you can see here, you can see previously there were no log and there were no var. So now we have created log and var. So our 60% of work is complete. So now we just need to start the processes. These are all the processes, and we need to copy and paste it. That's the Terry's work. So that's java kit conf historical update. So I have started one process. Now open tab. I have open in another tab. Now the second command, that is to start the another process for broker. Previously we have started for let me see, this user will work. Okay, and currently it is working fine. You can see, yeah, Druid is working fine, I guess. Yeah, feed matrix timestamp, you can see over here, it's working fine. So let's start the third process, that is every time I need to so this is for coordinator service. I have started the one also. We need to start one more tab. Oh shit. We have started 3 services now. So now we will start overload service. This will work. Now one more tab. So we need to start our last service, that is for middle management. So yes, now start the service. So as you can see, we have started all the 5 services for coordinator, for broker, for overload, for middleware, for middle manager, coordinator. So and you can see all services are currently running. And now we just need to open a new tab to see what all processes that is running currently. So simply type the command. You can see over here the 5 main processes that shows that this code is running perfectly fine, because I've no so you should see a log message print out of it. Starts up, learn and control C init and all these, delete the batch, load batch data. Now we just need to check whether we have our Druid setup or not. So where is the, yeah, so you can check over here 8090 console. So just go to over here, localhost 8090. So coordinator console, you can see over here we have Druid setup over here, in which when we start the coordinator service, so it's assigning this one, and whenever you provide the data, so let's show you how to provide the data to Druid, just to check whether we are going on the right path or not. So let's load some data, and this will be a command, sorry. So you can see index sticker, this is this we have generated, and in this sticker this one. Now you can go to Druid index and just refresh it, so you can see over here, so it's running perfectly fine. Currently it is running task, and once it will gets complete, it will show you in the completed one, remote to complete task. So it's running right now. Now you can see the task is complete, the status, you can see the status, success status. Okay, so this is all about how to install the Druid. In my next video I'll show you how to install superset. That is quite interesting. Be right back.